Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save Excel file on laptop and PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to save Excel file on laptop and PC. As you can see here, I have this file, and what you need to do, just click on File. After that, click Save As, and then click Browse. Here you can change the file name. For example, you give the name My Family, and then select where you want to save this file. For example, on this desktop or documents or downloads. Okay, if I select desktop, after that click Save. Okay, now if I close the window, and you can see the file here, My Family. If I click on it, yeah, you can see it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to save Excel file on laptop and PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.